away. Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone.
Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. Today's video is an all-day whole house clean with me. I also have some new furniture that I would love for you guys to see and see how it looks in its new space. I also have some everyday cleaning as well. So I hope once you finish watching this video, you leave here inspired and motivated to get up and get moving to tackle something on your to-do list. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up below. I would really appreciate it, as it really helps my channel. And subscribe if you are new here as well. I would love to have you. So let's get started.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid?
As you can see, I'm starting here in my bedroom, and I'm going to be breaking down those boxes that you just saw. I ordered this duvet insert and blanket from West M, and you guys, I absolutely love it. I'm now on the hunt for a duvet cover. So if you guys have any suggestions or have bought anything recently, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to check them out. But I'm also going to be putting my pillows back onto the bed, and I noticed that they were really dusty and needed a good freshen up. So I'm going to just throw my decorated pillow cases into the washer. I just washed my linen on my bed yesterday, as well as my laundry routine, and I recorded that, and that video will be coming out on Wednesday. So please make sure you're subscribed and your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss that one.
I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Okay, so now I'm just going to wipe the mirror down because it collects so much dust, and really our bedroom period collects so much dust. I don't know if it's because we have the ceiling fan as well as this isolating fan that moves around so much dust every day, but I'm going to go ahead and clean this off. And I also have to tell you guys, I came across this Spray Febreze bottle, which is very similar to the nozzle on the Dawn Spray dish soap, which I absolutely love. So I'm definitely recommend that you guys give it a try. But I'm going to use this to freshen up the chair. And you guys, honestly, we hardly ever use this chair. Maybe my husband probably uses it the most because he uses it to put his shoes on for work. Then I'm going to vacuum and mop the bedroom, and then I'm going to move on to the living room. And then I'm also going to come back to this bedroom once my pillowcases dry. So let me know in the comments, what are you guys working on today? Or if you're new, I always love talking to you down there in the comments.
Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. maybe he ain't worth it.
Okay, so now that we're in the living room, I bought some new end tables from Wayfair because I feel the two I have are really small. And you can see here in this picture, like, there's not really much room on top of the end tables here. Like here I only have a lamp and a photo and a flower, and that's pretty much it. So I also wanted some type of storage for the remotes because we're always looking for the remotes. I don't know if you guys have like a place that you keep your remotes or not, but in here we don't, and ours either fall behind the sofa or we don't know where they're at. So with the new end tables that I'm gonna put together once I'm finished cleaning, they will have a home to put them in. So Chase is gonna come in today and pick up his own Legos today. So yes, we do make him clean up. I know a lot of people think that I clean constantly behind him, but he does clean up from time to time when he's not in school.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel.
Okay, you guys, so this is the boxing that the end tables came in, and I had the hardest time trying to get this box open. But you guys, when I did, let me tell you, when I opened the box, I noticed that there was a crack on the piece, on one of the pieces, and I was so bummed because I figured now I have to wait to send these back to Wayfair, and then I have to wait for them to send a new order out. And I really like these end tables, so it's not like I can just go back on and just order new end tables that had a drawer for the remote and that was big enough. You know, I was able to check all the boxes off with these particular end tables. So I went onto wayfair.com and I took a picture and I explained what the issue was, and they responded immediately. And they're sending out a new end table, which will be delivered on February 8th. So I went ahead and still put the end tables together. And I'm gonna show you guys a picture here of what the table looked like right here. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of the end tables, and I absolutely love them. As you can see, the surface top is wider than the previous ones that I had. And so here I'm just trying to put some of the decor back on top of the table, and then I'm going to pick up this trash. But I absolutely love the way they look, and I cannot wait until my new table is delivered, so that way I can change out the one that's over in the other corner, because that is where the crack is.
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love.
So by now my pillowcases were dry, but before I put them back on the bed, I had to actually iron them because I actually over dried my pillowcases. So that was a little task I had to complete before I can put them back on the bed. So that way they looked really nice. And I don't know about you guys, but I really don't iron that much. I actually looked for an ironing board. I thought I had one. I looked in the garage, I looked everywhere, and apparently I just don't even have one. And that's because I really don't iron much. So now those are back and my bed is all set and ready for tonight. I'm gonna move on to the kitchen. This was definitely much later in the day. I had already fixed dinner, and this particular night we had tacos for dinner. So my kitchen was an absolute disaster, as you can see. So yes, this is a real life mess here, and on top of that, it's about 11:30 at night. So I am really tired, but there was no way I was going to bed with my kitchen looking like this. So what I'm gonna do is do a really quick cleanup, but I'm gonna start first by putting our dinner away with the leftovers and then clean the countertops off. So I'm sure I've shared this with you before, but there is nothing out there better than this Method heavy duty degreaser, especially for cleaning the stovetop off. I didn't have anything to fry up this particular night because we had shredded chicken in the crock pot for the tacos, but I still use this Method degreaser for cleaning the stovetop off because it cuts the grease and it does not leave any streaks, and it is one of the best things that's out there. So I highly recommend that you guys give this a try if you haven't already. Okay, so now that I got the counters all wiped off and all the appliances wiped down, now I'm gonna load this dishwasher and get that started. And on this particular night, everyone was already in bed. As I said earlier, it's pretty late at night. And I work best at night when there's no one around. What about you guys? Do you work better in the morning time, or do you work better once everyone else is in bed? Comment below and let me know.
I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, put you in that spotlight.
So now I'm going to clean my sink out, and I always use Barkeeper's Friend to do that because it does a great job. It leaves my sink looking shiny and brand new again, and I absolutely love that.
Until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
So on this particular night, I am not going to mop and sweep my floors. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you got tons of cleaning motivation. And if you did, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you here in the next few days. Bye.